Hey everyone, this is Eddie again, just talking through how to get Connected Components Workbench going on your computer. So after we have .NET Framework 3.5 installed and down, the next thing we need to do is to download Connected Components Workbench. So I'm going to go into my internet browser, and I'm just going to look for Rockwell. I'll zoom in here, Rockwell Automation. And we can go into, so there's this compatibility and downloads. It doesn't really kind of matter where you go. Whatever we do, the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to log in. If you do not have an account, you'll have to create an account. And you can put kind of anything you want. I'm just going to throw some random stuff in just to sort of show you what the page looks like. United States. I'm going to throw in a random email that's not real, and it'll have you verify it. And at some point, it's going to have you actually need to tell it what company you work for. You can just put really anything. You can put your own name. You can put the college that you go to. You can put really any workplace. They're not really checking. It's just for their information. Sometimes it might take up to a day or more in order to get your account approved and activated. The longest I've heard is over a long weekend, someone took like 4 or 5 days. You just want to check back, but eventually your account will be updated and you'll be able to sign in. So I'm going to sign in here. And again, I'm doing this all one-handed because I am, really cool. I don't have a tripod. Just holding my iPhone to record this guy. And that is just because I like to make my life difficult. So again, it's going to have me verify it. So it's the first time I've signed in on this computer. All right, so I have verified my account. And again, this may not come up right away. So I'm going to go to Find Downloads. And I'm going to just search for Connected Components Workbench, which is this one. And you typically want to get the most recent version. So the current recent version on this video is 23. So I'm going to grab that and click on Downloads and Available Downloads. And in this particular case, all we really need is the standard language edition. So I will go ahead and download it. You can get the other things if you want, but they are just a larger download. Accept and download. And we will see here I think it's just still downloading. I'm going to pause it, and once that downloads, I will show you what is inside that file. So once that's fully downloaded, we're going to find ourselves in the downloads folder on whatever computer we're at or wherever we downloaded the file to. And we'll get this radar file, which should automatically begin to download the Connected Components Workbench option that we asked it to. So this is a free download. The standard version of CCW is free. So it'll take some time, but once you get it downloaded, you'll be ready to install, which is what I'm going to show you in the next video.